Hi everyone, Erica and
I'm Jaden.
back to share some more tips for school-age kids who struggle with sleeping. So whether your worries are keeping you up at night or you're waking up in the middle of the night, we're taking some time to make a series of videos to share with you the tips and tricks that help us because we struggle with sleep in our house too. And today we wanted to tell you all about having a talk time with your parents and a worry box where you can put all the things that are on your busy brains into the box and tuck them in safe and sound for the next day. Buddy, you ready to show everybody how it works?
Yeah.
Okay. So one of the things that makes sleep hard in our house is that I can ask my guy how he is all day long and he'll say, fine, 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 fine. And then when bedtime rolls around, he wants to tell me every thought he's had all day long and all the things that are making him worried, which is really normal. So what we've been trying is scheduling a time to talk or chit chat or whatever you want to call it earlier in the day that does not fall so close to bedtime because that's not a great time to get all worked up about our worries. And this scheduled talk time allows us to get it all out on the table, everything that's in his mind, everything that's making him worried, and then we can put those worries away until the next day. So we're going to show you how that works now. So here we have what we call our worry box. You can make one out of a tissue box or any other box where you can put a little hole in the top. You can decorate it how you like. We have our worry emoji on there. And now, Jaden, do you want to write down, hey there, things that typically pop into your brain when it's time to fall asleep at bedtime? Okay, go for it. And kids that are watching or parents, it could be anything. We can put anything down on these papers that comes into our mind. Nothing's off limits because we want to talk about it. We're just trying to move the talking to a time that's a little more convenient and a little less disruptive for sleep. So this is a worry that's on a lot of kids' minds. COVID-19. Okay, fair enough. Can talk about that. I think that's keeping a lot of parents and kids up at night. And what's another common worry? Bad guys. Two very good ones. Okay, so normally we would chit chat about these things. How probable are they? How possible are they? Ways that we can keep ourselves safer. We're going to spare you guys the conversation, but what do we do with our worries, buddy, after we've talked through them all and said everything that we want and need to say?
Well, if you don't want to remember them, like, you can throw them out. But if you want to remember them for next time.
Yes, we're going to get them. So what we're trying to do is get them out of our brain and onto the paper, then talk through them and get them into the worry box. Excellent. So, buddy, how does talk time in the worry box help you at bedtime?
Well, it helps me because I forget about my worries. So I can think of only, like, happy stuff at night.
Do you forget about them forever?
No.
It just kind of helps you put them away until the next time we talk about them?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Awesome. So kids, parents, if worries are disrupting your bedtime and your overnight, we suggest you try some scheduled talk time and the worry box. Let us know how it goes, if it helps, and be sure to keep watching and follow us because we have some more tips coming up soon. Next time we'll be talking about breathing and special ways that you can breathe to relax. Thanks for watching.